Hi students. Today we are moving from conversion of mass to distant. So again, this is something that you guys will have learned in grade 5. So let's go through a simple conversion to let us have a better understanding on how do we do conversion. So these are the basic conversion that you need to know for conversion involving distance. So 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, 1 meters is 100 cm, 1 cm equals to 10 mm, 10 millimeters. Okay, some of you may ask, oh, do we use miles in Australia? Fortunately, we don't. We still make use of basic conversion of kilometers, meters, and cm and millimeters. Okay, so it's quite tricky. It's not unlike mass. Everything is involving 1000. So the only time you need to convert from kilometers to meters is 1000. You times 1000. But from meters to cm is times 100. Cm to mm is 10. So you have to memorize this. Okay. Let's move on. Okay, there's a question on page 55 with a map like this. So you have to look out for the various suburb from the city. Okay, so you're supposed to estimate how far the following destinations are from the city. I'm completing 3 of them for you. So for example, Ascot. So Ascot is located here. So and the city is right in the middle here. So you are supposed to estimate the distance between the city between city and Ascot. So over here is 2 kilometers from here to here. It's 4 kilometers. Up to here is 6 kilometers. Can you see? So the distance between Ascot and the city is 6 kilometers. What about Kidron? Where is Kidron? Where is Kidron? Kidron is here. So it is a little bit weird. Kidron is not on the blue line. So you see, this is 6 kilometers and this 8 kilometers. And right in the middle here is actually 7 kilometers. And I actually state down as the answer. Oh, it will be 7 or 8 kilometers. Okay, based on estimation, both of these answers will be acceptable because it's right in the middle here. Okay. What about Mount Gravatt? Where's Mount Gravatt? Mount Gravatt is... Oh, I can't find it. Mount Gravatt. Oh, here. Oh, that's good. It's right on the blue line. And let's look at the answer here. Oh, it's actually 10 kilometers. Got it? Okay. Moving on to next question. They say estimate the distance of the suburb from the CBD. Okay. Oh, so it's still Gracevere. Sorry. Gracevere is 8 kilometers. Okay. So Gracevere is here. It's 8 kilometers. Yep, 8 is here. That's how you get the answer. So the next one, estimate the distance of the suburb from the CBD. So Carindale. Okay, where's Carindale? Carindale is somewhere around. Oh, where's Carindale? Let me check. Carindale is somewhere around. Let's go. Carindale is here. Interesting, it's not on the blue line. It's somewhere, I think it's closer to 8 kilometers than 9 kilometers, isn't it? So the answer is 8 kilometers because it's closer to the blue line here. Okay. What about Milton? Okay, Milton. Milton, where's Milton? Okay, Milton is here. Okay, it's interesting. It's not on the blue line. So it's actually also quite close to 3 kilometers, isn't it? So it's between 3 and 4. I think it's more closer to 3, I guess. Yep, so answer is 3 kilometers. So I think it's closer to 3 than 4. Okay. Next, moving on, we need to learn how to convert meters into kilometers. So it's from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. So we need to divide by 1000. So we need to move the decimal place 3 times to the left. Remember the conversion of 1 kilometers to meters is 1000, isn't it? So that's why you need to move the decimal place 3 times to the left. That's how you get 9.154 kilometers. And now, what about another question? 19,006 meters, you want to convert to kilometers. So same thing, you divide by 1,000, you move the decimal place 3 times. That's how you get 19.006 kilometers. So far, okay? Let's move on. Converting kilometers into meters. So kilometers into meters. So from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, you have to times 1,000. So when you times 1,000, you move the decimal place 3 times to the right. Okay. So that's how you get 3.00. That's how you get 3,000. Okay, because you start from 3.0, then you move the decimal place 3 times. Okay. And then again 4.2 kilometers. When you move the decimal place 3 times, you actually get 4,200 meters. Okay. So we need to convert meters into centimeters. It's a smaller unit, bigger unit to a smaller unit. That's why you need to times 100, because the conversion between meters to centimeters is 100, isn't it? Right. So 6.5 times 100. You move the decimal place 2 times. That's how you get 650 cm. 2 1/4 is actually the same as 2.25. When you multiply by 100, again you move the decimal place 2 times to the right. Okay, so moving on, you want to convert meters into centimeters. So in the decimal form, same thing, quite straightforward, because you need to multiply by 100. You move the decimal place twice to the right. That's how you get 615 cm. And 12.05 meters, you times 100, you move the decimal place twice again, you get 1,205 cm. Okay. That's an interesting question in the student book. So you are required to find out the changes in the odometer after traveling certain distance. So after making 3 of the following trips, what would the reading on the odometer be? Okay. So trip 1 is 14.25 km, trip 2 is 36.35 km, trip 3 is 24.40 km. So we need to find out the total distance traveled. So by adding them out, you have traveled 75 kilometers. So the good thing about the odometer is it will actually tell you how much you have traveled in total for the vehicle. Very, very important reading, because for every 10,000 kilometers, you need to service your car. And that's the reason why this odometer serves as a purpose to remind you when you need to service your car. So since the original figure was 325,674 kilometers, you need to add 75 kilometers to it. So that's how you get 325,749 kilometers. So the new reading on the odometer will be 325,749. Okay, so I hope you have learned something new today, and hope to see you very soon. Bye-bye.